Okay, folks, this is wild. Today we're talking about the most impressive text-to-song AI I have ever seen, the so-called ChatGPT for music, Suno AI V3. You know, you can put in your own lyrics or have the AI generate the lyrics for you, and boom, here's the song. It's the first model that can create lifelike radio quality music, and it's simply stunning. It supports literally every style known to man, and now it has come with a new V3 version. Compared to the V2 version, Suno AI V3 introduces several significant enhancements, including improved audio quality, a broader range of styles and genres, and more refined prompt adherence. Now, Suno AI V3 lets you also replicate iconic tunes like the theme song of Walter White from Breaking Bad, or crafting original compositions in the style of Pink Floyd. So, Suno V3 is powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. The alpha version learns and adapts in real time, constantly improving its ability to generate high-quality music. Alpha was only available for Pro and Premier users, but it is available for free now that it's fully released. But before we get lost in more chatter, let's listen to some demos created by Suno AI. Well, let's hit it.
What the hell?
I mean, it's simply shocking. And it also has a new instrumental mode, which is pretty cool. And of course, the custom mode is even better. Let's listen to this Breaking Bad theme now.
He's got a secret in his eye. A chemistry teacher turned into a fire. Cooking up blue. He's in too deep. A man on a mission, no time to sleep. Oh, you're breaking free. In a world where nothing doesn't see all the danger of what we need. Oh, you're breaking free.
Okay, that was awesome. That's really good for an AI system that was still in its testing phase. And that's not even the best part. You get so many versions of the same song. I mean, there's the animated version, the party version, the retro version, and so on. Now let's put the custom mode in V3 to the test. There's this one song that caught my eye. The user put in the words, write a duet rap battle between the Golgi apparatus and mitochondria. Yes, you heard right. And, well, here's the result.
I'm a Golgi apparatus, don't mess with me. I'm smooth and sleek, the king of the endoplasmic reticulum. Can't you see I'm all about packaging, modifying and sorting, making sure proteins and lipids are winners. Hold up, Golgi, you think you're so fly, but I'm the powerhouse, the energy supplier, no lie. I produce ATP, the cell's main source of fuel. Without me, Golgi, your packaging useless. Foo-foo. Hold up, Golgi, you think you're so fly, but I'm the powerhouse, the energy.
Okay,
I mean, did you ever think that one day we would be rapping about mitochondria? Anyway, I was expecting to hear two different voices, but that didn't happen. However, I liked the rap battle. It sounded clean and it hit hard. Now that we've enjoyed listening to these shocking AI songs, let's get back to the point. So, how good is Suno? Well, from the point of view of a musician, it's going to be mind-blowing, and I guess it'll be the same for listeners too. Now, what sets Suno apart from the other AI music generators is its comprehensive approach to creating music. When compared to other AI music generators, Suno offers fully formed songs that are catered to the user's favorite genre, not simply snatches or fragments. Moreover, Suno seems to be really easily accessible. You can experiment with up to 10 songs every day to learn more about how AI-generated music functions with the free version. Okay folks, before we reveal the prices of the different Suno AI plans, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video if you think we deserve it. As always, it's free and it would be a huge help. Now, Suno AI offers 3 subscription tiers: Free, Pro, and Premier. In the free tier, you receive 50 credits daily with the ability to work on 2 jobs concurrently. For the Pro version, priced at $8 per month, you receive 2,500 credits monthly and can work on up to 10 jobs simultaneously. Finally, the Premier tier provides 10,000 monthly credits, also allowing for 10 concurrent tasks, along with various commercial rights for the songs created. Anyway, folks, get this. Suno AI has already made waves, and I know you know what I'm referring to. Spoiler, the Rolling Stone magazine. Yes, I'm talking about the famous prompt, Solo Acoustic Mississippi Delta Blues about a sad AI. For those who don't know, the famous music magazine Rolling Stone published an article some weeks ago about Suno AI saying that the song they were talking about had no human hands on it. The song was generated by Suno. Of course, this started creating a buzz everywhere in the music industry. Now, before I tell you how Suno AI was created, let's listen to another impressive demo.
Woke up this morning, feeling so low. Got the Delta blues down in my soul. Heartache and trouble won't let me be. Gotta find a way to set my spirit free. Walking down by the river, so dark and wide, searching for redemption, this lonely ride. Guitar in my hands, story to be told. Through the weary night, my sorrows unfold. Oh, the Delta blues, they haunt my mind. Ain't nothing else that I will find. The pain and the passion, they intertwine in the land of the blues. My soul finds its shrine.
Honestly, I'm not only shocked, but I have to say I also feel some Pearl Jam vibes here. Let me know what you think about how Suno can influence the music industry in the coming period. Okay, folks, let's see how Suno AI is made now. Suno is actually created by a team of people in Cambridge who know a lot about AI music. This team consists of members from big tech companies like Kensho, Meta, and TikTok. And you know what? One of Suno's earliest investors is Antonio Rodriguez, a partner at the venture capital firm Matrix. I guess the masterminds behind Suno, Keenan Freiberg, Mikey Schulman, Martin Camacho, and George Kuxko, has some very big goals for the AI system. Now, Suno AI uses an approach similar to what we see in advanced language models, breaking down language into small pieces called tokens. This process helps it learn various musical styles and structures. However, tackling music is trickier due to its continuous, wavy nature, making the process more complex than just dealing with words. You know, Suno cleverly navigates this by applying intense computational techniques, along with some neat algorithmic tricks. Plus, it teams up with OpenAI's ChatGPT to generate lyrics. Moreover, Suno AI can create songs as well as arrange and curate your music library using playlists. With the help of this new tool, you can customize your listening experience by organizing songs according to your preferences, mood, or theme. You can also share these playlists with your friends so that you can groove together. Okay, folks, now let's compare Suno AI with some other music production AIs, such as Vocify AI or Music LM from Google. You know, several distinctions emerge based on their features, target users, and capabilities. Starting with Vocify AI, it specializes in AI-generated voice covers, offering a broad selection of over 3,000 community-uploaded voice models for creating personalized AI covers instantly. I guess it's geared more towards voice production and cloning, making it a great tool for projects that require specific vocal styles or mimicry. Suno, on the other hand, as you may have noticed, focuses on generating realistic sounds that cover a wide range from speech to music and sound effects. It's unique for its capacity to produce both speech and non-speech audio, including music, using its foundational model, Bark, and its innovative model, Chirp, available on Discord. Next, we have Music LM by Google, which is designed to create high-quality music based on text prompts. It does this by organizing the music-making process into steps, similar to how a conversation flows from one topic to the next. This method allows it to produce longer pieces of music that stay cohesive and engaging for minutes at a time, making it ideal for projects that need more extended musical composition. Finally, we have Ava, another rival of Suno AI. You see, Ava and Suno AI cater to different aspects of AI music generation. Ava seems to be designed for composers and filmmakers needing a wide range of musical styles, offering extensive customization and the ability to own copyright for generated music, which might come out at a higher cost. Suno AI conversely emphasizes creating realistic sounds and music suitable for a variety of applications. It provides a more accessible approach for everyday users and creators looking to experiment with sound. I guess this distinction makes Ava ideal for professional productions requiring specific musical compositions, while Suno AI suits broader audio content creators. Okay folks, I hope you have found this news on Suno AI useful. As always, drop a Suno in the comments if you've made it this far, and consider subscribing to the channel if you don't want to miss the next AI news, and to support us. See you in the next one, folks. You all take care.